Have you ever pondered on the significance of striking a perfect balance between your work and life? Today we delve into an intriguing list of advice that could potentially revolutionize the way you perceive your work and personal life. Firstly, prioritize building a home. Whether it's nestled in the tranquility of the countryside or the bustle of the city, owning your abode is crucial. The comfort of a government house might seem inviting, but remember, it's transient. Next, remember to go home. You're not the cornerstone of your department. Your family should always hold a higher place in your list of priorities. Don't chase after promotions. Instead, focus on honing your skills and excelling at your job. Embrace promotions if they come, but don't let their absence deter your personal development. Steer clear of office gossip, preserve your reputation, and refrain from participating in discussions that center around people. Avoid competing with your bosses or colleagues. The only competition you need is with the person you were yesterday. Work towards establishing a side business. Your salary, as substantial as it might seem, will not suffice in the long run. Save money and make it a habit. Automatic deductions from your salary could prove to be a smart move. Borrow loans to invest or change a situation, not for luxuries. Luxuries should be an outcome of your profit. Keep your personal life, your marriage and family separate from your work. Be loyal to yourself and believe in your work. Cozying up to your boss might seem beneficial, but it could lead to alienation from your colleagues. Plan for retirement early. Ideally, you should start planning the moment you receive your employment letter. Aim to retire between the ages of 40 and 50. Join a work welfare and actively participate. It can be a lifeline during times of crisis. Utilize your leave days wisely. Develop your future home or projects during this time. Start a project while you're still working. Don't wait until retirement to begin something new. Remember, your pension is for your upkeep and maintaining good health. It's not to fund a new project or cover school fees. Retire while you're still full of energy, not when you've become a burden to the company. Enjoy your retirement by spending quality time with your family and pursuing activities you love. Finally, retire in your own home, not in government accommodation. This will allow for an easier transition into the society that raised you. To summarize, the importance of work-life balance cannot be overstated. Prioritize home building, avoid office gossip, and plan for retirement early. Remember to save money, invest wisely, and keep your personal life separate from your work. Lastly, retire at a time when you can truly enjoy life, ideally in your own home. These tips may seem simple, but they hold the potential to bring about a significant shift in your work and personal life.